Hi, my name is Asha Wilkerson and I am an attorney and a full-time educator. One of the reasons why I got into education is because I think it's really important to empower those around us with the skills, the knowledge, and the tools to make a difference in their own lives and also in their own communities. One of my favorite things to do, aside from traveling the world of course, is to educate young people about how they can use the law to get to where they want to go. So recently, I worked with Blacks in Government in Sacramento to work with students to teach them how to analyze the law, figure out what was wrong or what they didn't like about it, and then how to use their brains to make a new proposal of the law. It was incredible, and every single student came out with new tools, a new desire to get involved in their community, and the confidence to do what they need to do to make their situations better. So if you are ready for your youth to learn how to think critically, to take action, and to change their world, do not hesitate to get in contact with me. I will create a custom program that is directly targeted toward your students that will help them grow, make better decisions, and change their lives.